Hello everyone, this is January the 26th, 2023, and it's a very windy morning out here at 10:45 a.m. and it's not a bad temperature, it's 7 degrees Celsius, but I'm going to have a rough time in the wind today, so bear with me. I wanted to do a nice rain walking video because it's raining pretty good today. A lot of water accumulated on the street already so far. I've been out for a while, but I've been sitting inside having a coffee. So,
all good, man. Have a good one. See you later.
I gotta get in the bus shelter of the wind long enough to get my glove on. And this should do right here. It's hard to hang on to my umbrella and put my glove on. So I'm gonna stop right here, get my glove on, and then I got a hand free to hang on to my umbrella. There we go. All right, we're off and running. There we go. Let's get underway. You can see I'm at Scotia Square, starting down Barrington Street. Right here it's not too windy, but I know the wind is blowing. It's a matter of where you are. So I'm hoping that I can stay out of the wind and make a video. I haven't made a video out here in the rain for a long time. So it's time we corrected that. We have to make videos in the rain too, because rain videos are kind of fun. Oh, I see where the rain's coming from, coming right out of the north. So I gotta get the umbrella kind of sideways here till I get through this intersection. And then we'll have some shelter from the buildings again once we get across here. Yeah, there's a strong wind coming right out of the north. No, the west, sorry. It's a west wind. All right, there we go. All straighten around. Yeah, it's kind of like a north, kind of a west wind. But it's a very severe wind. But I love the rain. I really do love the rain. If we could have the rain without the wind, that'd be really great. But thankful for the rain because it's good. The rain is good. And I like being out in the rain. Something about rain, I don't know. But I don't like wind. Don't like being out in the wind, which is what I'm facing right now. It's coming from the south now. Sorry about the umbrella in the picture here. But I have to tip it sometimes to block the wind. I got a lot of wind here. No. I'm trying to keep it out of the screen. But yeah, it's really bad right now. So I'm turning around to face, put my back to the wind because they're blowing right down the street here. And well, we're looking north on Barrington. But the wind now seems to be coming from the south. So I guess sometimes it's, oh, here it comes. It's really raining now. But I can't walk the other way because the wind. I get too much wind, I can't walk the other way. So it is what it is. I'm out in the wind, and if I turn around that way, it's too windy. It is really, really, really windy out here. It's hard to imagine. Look, the waters are blowing right down the street. It is really, really rough. Really rough out here. So I don't know. how this video is going to go because I got a lot of wind. I'm facing a lot of wind. I got to get out of the wind or I'm not going to be able to do anything. Oh, there goes my umbrella. Oh, man. I'm in a rough wind. I don't know what to say. I can't walk the other direction. I can't walk that way at all because it's too windy. I don't know. I'm trying, but it's rough weather for a video. But I wanted to get out here and do a video in the rain today. I don't know. Maybe we can somehow get between the buildings and not have so much wind. I'm going to try to get over here, across the street and go down the hill. Maybe that'll help. It can't hurt. It might help. All right. There. I think that did it. I'm out of the wind for now. Still wind, but not as bad. Oh man, I'm getting into a mess here. My hat is coming off and my umbrella's falling. There. Oh, this is not good. This is not good at all. Look at that rain coming across the street down there. The wind is just blowing it. Now it seems to be coming up the hill. It's like the wind is changing directions. You just get out of it and then it comes from another direction. Maybe it's the buildings that are swirling around the buildings down here. That could have something to do with it. The water seems to be blowing right up the street. No, this is really rough out here. I don't know how I'm going to make out in this weather. It's really raining. The rain is okay, but the wind is really making it rough. You ever try to hang on to an umbrella in the wind? You have to be pointing it towards the wind in order to keep it from folding over on you. Well, here we are. I'm back out here again. The wind is everywhere. I got to get between some buildings though, or I'm not going to be able to do anything. Well, let's go. Let's go across the street. All right, so far so good. So far so good. We'll keep on. This might not be a real long video today. If I can get a half an hour in, I'm going to be lucky. But we'll try. Right now, I'm out of the wind. Not completely, but enough that I can walk. Something's blocking the wind a little bit. Because over there, those flags are blowing. Maybe you can't see them, but anyways, here we are, Thursday. One more day to go, then the weekend will be here. If you're a worker that works outside, you're not going to enjoy this day. If you're inside, it's great. My wife works outside, but she's a driver, so she's not out in it all day. She's in and out all day. But no doubt she'll be soaked when she gets home tonight. She will be telling me what a rough day she had in this wind. And all right, let's try to get across here if we can. Try to protect my phone from the wind and my umbrella from the wind too much, and we might get through it. Okay, I'm back here now and out of the wind again. Walking down Barrington Street. Been a while since I walked around downtown. But I'm only doing it today because it's raining. And there's something different about a rain video than a sunshine one or whatever. Like those nighttime ones are nice, rainy ones are nice. So I'm making a rain video for you folks today. All right, I'm back. I managed to salvage my umbrella. It doubled right over, it turned right inside out. There's a lot of wind out here today. And this is not easy walking around in this wind. I got a puff of wind and it blew right onto my umbrella and it turned it right inside out. I thought it was gone, but it's still working. I turned it back inside out, back right side, and it's still working. But I'm facing a lot of wind right here. I'm going to keep my umbrella pointing that way. Sorry about the umbrella, you might get the picture. But if I don't point it frontwards, it's going to fold again. There's a lot of wind. It's not fun trying to make a video in the wind. Like, it's really hard. Without an umbrella, you can't because you get too much wind in the microphone. And I would get soaked from all the rain. So I'm trying here to do something, but I don't know. I got to turn back around again because the wind is too strong for my umbrella. But I'll try somehow to stay off. Oh boy, there it goes. I got to try to stay out of the wind if possible. But it's not going to be easy. No. I can't go that way. Look at this over here. They're doing a lot of work to the front of this building, giving it a new look. Oh, this is rough. I was hoping for a little bit more out of the wind than I am. This is really, I can't go up the hill. If I go up the hill, I can never gonna be able to do this video. I've only got, I don't know, I can't tell because I had to turn it off before. I'm gonna go down the hill, see if I can keep the umbrella beside my head because it's coming from the south right now. If I get the wind, oh man, I don't know what I'm going to. Anybody that ever tried to do this wouldn't know. Okay, I'm back. Took a little coffee break, Starbucks, and now I'm back out here. Hopefully it goes a little smoother. Whoa. Oh man. I lost my umbrella before I even got going, so it's a bad sign. My umbrella blew right out of my hand before I even got started. So we will continue on. I'm determined to make this video. I don't know how long it's going to take or how good it's going to look, but I'm going to make this video today. I'm trying to get my glove on. That's what's going on here. There we go. All right, there we go. Now I am all straightened up. There we go. Now I'm going to try to do some walking in this rain, if I can. The rain's not too bad as long as the wind doesn't bother me. All right, here we go. Out into the elements. We are now out into the street on Spring Garden Road in a heavy rain. So far, I'm able to keep my umbrella under control here. Hopefully that continues. I see a lot of wind blowing at this intersection here. It's coming up from the south. So as long as I don't get out into the open intersections, I'll be all right. I know the wind's blowing really hard right here. Whoops. Okay. Something came on my screen, but that wasn't important. I'm looking down Brenton Street. I don't think I'm going to go down there because there's a lot of wind. So, if I'm going to have any hope at all of making a video today, I have to stay out of the wind somewhat. Well, there's something new. I never noticed that before. First Sight Coffee Bar. That's the first time I've seen that. I don't believe it was there before. Coffee and bar. They sell alcoholic drinks and they sell coffee. I don't believe I've ever seen that place. I haven't been down here for a while on Spring Garden Road. And it looks like they moved Good Life Fitness. A few little changes here. All right. Let's go this way. It's windy. It's windy up here too. But I gotta try to make this video. I know it's been a rough day trying to make videos out here in the wind, the rain. But I'm hoping that this will all work out. I may have to chop a few rough pieces out of it where my umbrella blew out of my hand and where it turned inside out 2 or 3 times. I might leave some of it, and I might cut some of it out. We'll see. So far, not too bad right here in this intersection. Well, now it's getting rough, because I got the rain blowing right at my back, so that's okay. Once I get all these cars up through here, I'm just going to jaywalk. Wow, this is quite the day out here today. Once I get inside the building, it'll be better. There. As long as I can keep a building on my right, it's not too bad. Well, I wanted a rain walking video. I certainly got that today. The rain is no problem when you got an umbrella, but the wind, that's the thing that causes the trouble. But we do live near the ocean, so that's why we get a lot of wind here, because we're right by the ocean. I gotta cross the street now. Look at the rain coming down. Wow, this is one of the best rain videos I've ever made. It is really a soaker. Yeah, I see some police lights flashing down the road there. Man, this is a wet day. Do I mind wet days? No, I don't. I'm used to walking around in the wet. Sometimes the wind gives me trouble, but it did today when it was turning my umbrella inside out 2 or 3 times. Okay, I'm not going to walk through that water right there. I'm going to go in close to the building. That water would get you. That water would soak your feet right there. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, oh, my umbrella's inside out again. Oh, man. Uh-oh. I think it's broke. I think it broke the umbrella this time. I'm trying to straighten it up. But yeah, it broke. Uh-oh. Now I'm getting in deep. Getting in trouble again now. Well, I'm getting in trouble fast here. Oh, man. I'm getting in trouble fast here. Yeah. Oh, there it goes again. Man, oh man, oh man. I can't keep the umbrella straightened up. There we go again. My umbrella's broke, see? Right there. One of the cross pieces broke. I may not have an umbrella till I get home. It might be completely broke. I just started to step out into that intersection and the wind caught it, and that was it. It was over. It's broke now. They'll only stand so much and then they break. Oh well. I gotta get a sturdier umbrella, one that will stand the wind, because this one clearly is not the right umbrella for the job. She's all broke. I don't know if I can get through this intersection or not with this wind. I gotta try if I can. Sorry for the rough video today because the wind is just not helping. The wind is helping to destroy my umbrella and make it rough with me. I can hardly hold my umbrella. No, this is bad. This is bad. I gotta get out of the wind. I'll go this way. I have to go whatever way I can go to avoid the wind. And this has been a rough day trying to make a video. I'm back. Oh, I don't think I'm going to be able to go much further with this wind. My umbrella has been really going through a lot today. And I can't get away from the wind anyway. No matter how I point it, there's still wind blowing in it. It's going to be pretty much, this has been a hard day. A rough day with the wind. Very rough day. I like making videos in the rain, but I don't like even being out here in the wind with this. Oh, we got something happen here. We got police blocking off the street. And oh, I can't hardly walk with this umbrella anymore. It's so hard to walk. I can barely hold on to it. I can barely hold on to my umbrella. Something happened. Oh, there's a car with a windshield, or with a mirror broken over there. And I guess something happened here. Ooh. Can't go out through there. Yeah, it looks like somebody got hit. Somebody might have hit a pedestrian because there's a lot of police cars and a lot of, they're looking at stuff here. Yeah, so I wouldn't be surprised. Somebody might have got hit here, a pedestrian possibly. Well, I want to go down that way, but I don't know if I can walk in the wind. I'm gonna try. This has been rough. Oh, this has been very, 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 very rough. I can barely hold the umbrella. I don't think I can't go any further. I can't go any further with this video because I can't hold my umbrella. Okay. All right. I don't know. I think I gotta sign off. This is horrible. I don't even know if I got a video to watch, if it's any good or not. It's been so rough because the wind's blowing my umbrella all over the place, and I can't keep going with it the way it is here. There's too much wind. So, I don't know. If I could get back onto Barrington, I might be able to make it back up the other end of the city. Maybe. Maybe. If I can get across the intersection. There's so much wind that I don't even know if I can make it across the intersection or not. Oh man, this is rough. This is real rough. Well, we got a lot of police cars here and one car sitting there on the side in the middle of the road. So someone could have been hit right here. Oh, yeah, can I go down through here? I think so. All right, we're going this way. I'm going to try to make my way back up to the other end of the city, the other end of downtown. And it's been a rough video because, there it goes again. My umbrella's going to be wrecked here. It's turning right inside out every time a puff of wind comes. So that means it's getting really weak. Oh, there goes my phone now. This is horrible. This is a very bad day. Very, very, very bad day for making videos. Because the wind. Yeah. Look at my umbrella. It's broke. I broke one cross piece off, and now it's hanging down. Here comes more wind. Oh, I don't think this video is going to be worth watching, to tell the truth, because the wind blows the umbrella around so bad, you're not going to be able to see anything. But I'm going to try to make my way back uptown. And hopefully there'll be some parts of this video that'll still be good. And so thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to push that like button. And if you're not yet a subscriber, push subscribe. That would help immensely. Okay? Thanks. Bye for now.